able to walk through without, you know, walking through, you know, like the grass area and that. So, I mean, we're really kind of close to the bridge area here, which leads me to think that somewhere down the line here, this will, you know, give me an opportunity to, you know, get back up onto the blacktop and then without having to go all the way, you know, back that way and then so on. So yeah, well, geez, this is kind of an interesting walk here, you know. I think I'm coming up on the spot that I was thinking about, but this is still a ways down here. Here, let me get a little bit more of a, I don't think it's a path as much as it, you know, see now here's a campfire over here, so I mean, people have, you know, been down here camping out and that, and you know, and maybe doing some fishing and that. I think at one time, you know, I think somebody probably, that looks like somebody's dug that out. I don't know, they're, you know, for some reason, and then, and more of the river bank here. You see where I'm at in proximity to the bridge over there. And yet this still goes, you know, back further yet. I mean, in other words, I can still keep on walking. There's a somewhat of a path. I don't know if it's been, hasn't really been cleared, but you know, it's been walked on. It's enough to where, you know, I think though I have, oh, you know, it's starting to clear up. I was wondering if I actually came to the end here, but looks like it, you know, still goes all the way back here. Yeah, somebody's vest or something or other. And I'm just kind of wondering, you know, where this goes here. And then take you on this little, you know, see, and then we got more campfire stuff here. I don't know what the heck this stuff is, but this stuff's been here for a while because it's all rusted and bad. But you know, I wonder if you can hear that. The water on the hitting the and that, so but